In today's video, I'll be recording a Dalgona coffee recipe, otherwise known as the whipped coffee trend. So I figured the perfect way to kick off 2024 would be with a coffee trend from 2020, right when COVID started, which was the Dalgona coffee trend or the whipped coffee trend. And basically it was instant coffee mixed with a little bit of water poured over milk. Super concentrated coffee, super delicious. It was really popular at the beginning of 2020 for some reason, and then it just kind of faded out. Well, anyways, it's 2024 and I am bringing it back. I've been seeing that a lot of people have been using the Nescafe grounds, the gold grounds to make it. So I ordered some from Amazon to try it out myself. And I have to say that this is probably the best instant coffee that I've had. So I figured I'd use it in today's recipe to show you all how to do the Dalgona coffee. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take my Nescafe instant coffee grounds. You can use whatever instant coffee you like best. I just found that this one tastes the best in my opinion. And I'm gonna scoop out 1 tablespoon of the grounds and put it in there. And then I'm gonna do another tablespoon. The 2 tablespoons of grounds. And then I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of the 0-calorie sweetener blend. You can use whatever sugar you like best, white sugar, brown sugar. I'm just gonna be using 0-calorie sweetener. I'm gonna add that in there. And then I'm gonna do a vanilla flavor because I love vanilla, but you can obviously add whatever flavor you like best, and just 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then the key here is just to add a little bit of water over it, not too much. So I'm just gonna take my bottle and put a little bit of water, just so it's nice and covered, maybe a little bit more. There we go. And then from there, you take the milk frother and we're gonna froth it up on low. And you want to froth it for a while, just until it gets that thick and creamy substance that I was talking about. Okay, so I have my glass full of ice here, and then I have my milk of choice, which is oat milk as always, but you can use whatever milk you like best. I'm gonna give it a good shake. I've seen some people pour the coffee first and then the milk over, but the correct way to do it is always milk first for the Dalgona. I'm gonna pour a good amount of milk. And then I'm gonna take my coffee and just kind of pour it on top. Oh, and that looks really good. Nice and velvety and smooth. That's exactly the consistency that you're looking for. So I have my straw here. I'm just gonna stick it in and give that a stir. Oh, and that looks so good. You can see it slowly start to diffuse down. I'm gonna give it a quick taste. Oh, that's so good. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and now on TikTok. That's something that's new in 2024, so we have a TikTok. So follow us on all platforms, and we'll promise we'll deliver the content that you're looking for. Have a good one.